Thank you for your interest in Focal Point. As an open access subscriber, you have full access to our entire research library, including our recently relaunched data visualization platform, Focal Point. To get started, you can access Focal Point either by clicking on the link in the left nav of your dashboard page, or by searching for interactive charts on our content search page. As we continue to add more country interactive charts, they will show up with this filter. There are several ways to use Focal Point. We recommend the following steps to get started. Select the market, global, regions, or countries. Then, select the preferred view and comparison measure. You can further filter the data by selecting relevant years, segments, or channels of interest. Choose the currency of interest in the top navigation. If needed, screen captures can be used with proper citations for internal and external presentations. To learn more about what markets we cover and our methodology, please check out our FAQ page. That's it, you're ready to go. And as always, if you have any questions, please contact Customer Concierge at Phocuswright.com.